Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here and welcome back to my tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you guys a very simple combo which consists of a freeze onto transitions and onto a thread. Okay, I'm just going to keep this really simple, so just relax, and without further ado, let's get right onto it. To move the into master is the chair freeze and also the thread. I already did those two tutorials, so if you want to learn it, I'm going to put the link on the description below. Alright, so start from the chair freeze. Alright, very simple chair freeze as you can see. Now the next move is going to put your left hand on the ground and bring both legs up and touch your right knee onto your left elbow like this. Alright, after doing this, you're gonna straighten out your left leg and you're gonna hook onto your right leg. So again, first step, start from a chair freeze, and then the second step, you're gonna bring both legs up and put your right knee onto your left elbow, and then straighten out your left leg and hook your left leg to your right leg. Alright, so one more time. Chair freeze, hook. Alright, so while you hook, you're gonna start pushing and it's gonna start go into the footwork positions like this. Alright, and then you're gonna turn to the right side. If you're right-hander like me, turn to the right. Alright, while you're turning, you're gonna put your right leg onto the floor. So as you turn, put your right onto the floor, grab your right leg and thread. There you go guys, a very simple and quick combo for you guys today. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below, and if you have any other move that you want to learn, you also can let me know on the comment section below. So that's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time.